Boy 50.
Diamonds ain't nation all over my body. You tryna text me and turn to a homie. I just be on me, I just catch a Molly. Sippin' on now, I feel like a zombie. I'm with the gang and be dumb if you try me. I tell my make it up, they yo Gotti. I do my thing and I fuck up a party. That hater gon' wanna say sorry. Free my guys, I ain't seen them in a long time. We gon' shine, that's the reason why I stay on my grind. Niggas dying, that's the reason why I stay near my nine. Can't be mine, made a promise that we all gon' be fine. Yeah, whoa, nigga, I switchin' my flow. Yeah, bro. All of my niggas on gold, hey, souls, didn't get into those. I put my necklace on froze, I put a band on my toes. This was a dream, now my goals getting bigger, bringing all my. Ooh, we don't care about the ops, they don't bust no triggers. Yeah, I had to get on my Birkin just so they see that I'm working. Spinning the rain, we ain't ducking front of J's, legal money in the safe. I remember them days, locked down in a cage, calendar for the dates. Camera see my whole face, got settings on the case, maxed out to the day. They ain't cut me no break, they ain't cut me no break. Diamonds ain't nation all over my body. You tryna text me and turn to a homie. I just be on me, I just catch a Molly. Sippin' on now, I feel like a zombie. I'm with the gang and be dumb if you try me. I tell my make it up, they yo Gotti. I do my thing and I fuck up a party. That hater gon' wanna say sorry. Free my guys, I ain't seen them in a long time. We gon' shine, that's the reason why I stay on my grind. Niggas dying, that's the reason why I stay near my nine. Can't be mine, made a promise that we all gon' be fine. Niggas hate, they so fake, try to stand up in my face. Different states on probation, so I swear this shit ain't safe. They be lying on my name. I was crying, broski died up in my face. So much pain, ain't no game, feel like music all I got. Feel like I let broski down if we don't make it to the top. From the bottom, no, I'm swear to God, I'm sending shots. I was posted on the corner trying to sell shit like the ox. Bodies drop, swear to God, this shit won't stop. Bodies drop, swear to God, this shit won't stop. They be lying on my name. I was crying, broski died up in my face. Diamonds ain't nation all over my body. You tryna text me and turn to a homie. I just be on me, I just catch a Molly. Sippin' on now, I feel like a zombie. I'm with the gang and be dumb if you try me. I tell my make it up, they yo Gotti. I do my thing and I fuck up a party. That hater gon' wanna say sorry. Free my guys, I ain't seen them in a long time. We gon' shine, that's the reason why I stay on my grind. Niggas dying, that's the reason why I stay near my nine. Can't be mine, made a promise that we all gon' be fine.
Yeah. Oh, that's London on the track, run that shit back.
We got London on the track.
Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it purchase, you deserve it. In your DM, they be thirsty. And in person, but you're curving. Curvy little body, love your surface. Yeah, I'm along your body, make you nervous. I like the way you keep up with your earnings. Yeah, it's okay, you be swerving.
I from the and leave you turning. The type to make you feel like I'm so worth it. Blame my ex that she did me dirty. Had me fall in love and then she curved me.
Swear to God, I don't wanna leave you alone.
New Louboutin, you would think I'm bleeding from my toes. Go inside of you, make you freeze, make you pose. I want you to get up on your knees and your toes.
I see one of my enemies, they gon' freeze like they cold. I swear I ain't no killer, but test me if you want. You don't want my adrenaline rushing, leave me alone. Leave me alone. On my mind, I can't think straight. On my sounding like they scream. Did an AP covered diamonds with baguettes, yeah. I thought everything was right, that's when you left. Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it purchase, you deserve it. In your DM, they be thirsty. And in person, but you're curving. Curvy little body, love your surface. Yeah, I'm along your body, make you nervous. I like the way you keep up with your earnings. Yeah, it's okay, you be swerving.
I'm in the V with the got the effing on my body in the clip with hollow tip. Said they gon' rob me and they still ain't do shit. Catch a wave.
Like, what he's that? Ayy, what he's that? I'ma pull up in a big body with the back. If the ops try to turn my song off, run it back. Used to have a pack in my long johns, now I rap.
If a wanna act out, got the Mac out. I ain't got no back off, that's a man down. I ain't got the 40, knock his teeth out, spin back with the Ruger and a block out.
Swerving, how you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C at purchase, you deserve it. In your DM, they be thirsty. And in person, but you're curving. Curvy little body, love your surface. Yeah, I'm along your body, make you nervous. I like the way you keep up with your earnings. Yeah, it's okay, you be swerving.
The way that I live my life is amazing. Back to back, big bodies, no more dreams.
So my on my mind, I can't think. Oh my, but designer like they scream. AP color diamonds with baguettes.
Name me a song in this lit. Waiting for it like this. Landing on the train.
Nick, you're stupid.
My baby, she flexing all up on my blessings. I get a flash with against. We just seen her up and we sent on that high. And it been so long, so the vibe's so dead. She sent a little text, so she let me hit in response to the text. But I read it. She told me she love me after that. Yeah, run to the pack, little like me. Are you gangsta? I don't know your gangsta. I don't know your intentions. When my energy see you later. She said, oh my god, like Lil Key. And you giving me stress, baby, I don't need. She said that she let me, she on my team. How you say that you love me on my team? I'm counting the cash, yeah, I cut the green. I'm counting the cash, yeah, I cut the blue. I got no pressure, in game 2. You know that you poppin' if they hate you. I use it as motivation, cause I know that I'm gon' be grinding. Spin your block like tornado. You were less, you were outdated. Put me in the limit, I run to that side. I feel like a doctor, she give me that back. I said, yo, way past the mat. Finessing that pack and I might get it back. Always grinding, I cannot slack. I f*** your hot, that's a fact. I f*** your that's a Fendi. I'm just a product with a fan. Yo, hot name Batty. Falling love, then it's daddy. Cause I don't need no one, I don't know if I'm ready. I ain't going to the party, baby, we go to the Getty. I ain't tryna touch you, baby, shawty, you just made me. My baby, she flexing all up on my blessings. I get a flash with baguettes. We just seen her up and we sent on that head. And it been so long, so the vibe's so dead. She sent a little text, so she let me hit in response to the text. But I read it. She told me she love me after that. Yeah, run to the pack, little like no. Are you gangsta? I don't know your gangsta. I don't know your intentions. When my energy see you later. Oh my god, like Lil Key. And you giving me stress, baby, I don't need. She said that she let me, she on my team. How you say that you love me on my team?
Guys, there's 3 people left and I have 9 kills, bro. I'm scared as hell.
Merch.
No way, bro.
I believe in you, Abel.
Never mind, I have 10 kills.
Oh shit.
Versus a 1v1, Abel.
We are now.
11 kills.
Oh, Merch, Abel, 1-on-1.
It's
1-on-1, Abel, come on.
Oh.
Abel, all that practicing, hard work. You got this, bro.
Hard work beats talent when talent fails to work hard, Abel. Oh. Dang, what I tell you, bro? I put my tryhard skin on. We win. Nah, Adrian, put that away. You didn't win. You got carried.
Adrian is actually the biggest bot I've ever seen in my life, bro.
Right.
Adrian, what did I watch, bro?
Dang, bro, I put my tryhard skin on. We go crazy and get a dub.
Adrian was stuck in the same spot for like 5 minutes, bro. You didn't have enough match.
The dude in the brick. The dude by brick.
Right? I told you we were gonna win this game, bro.
Bro, they could have easily pushed us.
Nah, cause it was a 1v1v2. because he killed the other dude.
Oh yeah.
Let's go,
Yeah, that dude
baby!
killed the other dude.
12
Merc
kills!
able 12 kills.
Oh my god! My
Merc
fucking
Abel's a
heart!
demon, bro.
My fucking heart! Ah!
Hey,
Just
bro, the stuff of your solo YouTube channel career starts now, bro.